Good morning, everyone. We are starting a new session. This session will be the topics will be the enzyme and the use of powder enzyme. Actually, we know powder enzyme is now widely used in our industry, but today with us a manufacturer who is only dealing with powder enzyme. So we want to hear some more details about the powder enzyme from them. Let us introduce our guests who are today with us. From BBT, we have Mr. Easter and his team. And from Pacific Genes, we have Mr. Kajol. We have a we have we have Niter, Mr. Rauf. He is assistant professor. So I think it will be better. All of our guests can introduce themselves. This is your host, Mr. Biplab. My name is Mohammad Shariarjina Biplab. I was in Diester. I was in Novozyme. I have a experience in Enzyme while I was in Novozyme. So I think Mr. Kajol can introduce himself.
At first, I thanks to Colors BD for giving me the opportunity to participation in such a wonderful program. I am MD Moti Rahman, Manager Laboratory, Pacific Nitex Limited. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe Mr. Istar can introduce your team and BBT team.
Oh, yeah, my name is Esther from BBT China. My country is Africa, Zambia, but I'm working with BBT China. And this is my colleague, Mr. Pasco, also is working with BBT here in China. And he's Chinese.
Yes, I'm Pascal from BBT China. Yes, now I'm responsible for the India market.
Okay. So you are
Yes.
responsible for India market.
Yes.
And
Very
Star
close
is
to your
responsible
market.
for yes, very close. Yes, we regularly
Yes.
visit. And Mr. Star is looking for Bangladesh, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Bangladesh and India.
Okay. So actually, we have segregate our session with some topics. Like first, you can introduce your company. Then we'll have some presentation from your part that we want to learn more about, because for Bangladesh, I know that these powder enzyme is widely used right now, but we want to hear from the manufacturer side that how you think and what is the scope and everything. So we want to hear more from you, that how what is the market size and what actually is currently in global market, what is the position of powder enzyme, because in Bangladesh every people is using liquid enzyme, and the problem what we are facing is the lifetime of the liquid enzyme, and also the activity. And this is a tropical country, so for tropical country the problem is like, let's say during the summertime the lifetime of the enzyme is very short, and uh, the activity is also like we need more dosing. So you can also cover up this thing, that all the things that our audience can see, that whether we have got some benefit of using these powder enzyme and everything. I think that will be helpful for us. So hope
Okay.
all of the topics will be covered in your presentations. So first, I think you can introduce your company, then you can present some more light on the powder enzyme. That will be helpful for our audience, I think.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
Miss Esther to introduce our BBT company, and then we will discuss some topic about our granular enzyme. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Share the screen.
Yes, already. Can you see the screen, right? The first.
Okay, I'll share the screen. Those who are actually watching our video can comments on the Facebook pages where we share. One of the comments has come from Mr. Shumon Mondol. He said it is informative. Thank you.
Mr. Rose now is not in the meeting room.
I think actually he's driving because he's on the way to hospital. So I think
Oh,
he will join. Then we'll introduce him.
okay, no problem.
So can I start now?
Yes, you can start, I think. Because we are already late due to some technical problem. So
Yeah.
hope we can start.
Okay. So you can see the first
No,
slide.
you need to put this to us.
No, I'm still sharing. Can you see the PPT?
Yes, but we cannot see the. You have to click there,
Because
and you have to, I think, minimize this one, or I
this
can
one.
remove this one also for the time being.
Okay.
This one you have to minimize. I think you minimize this
Okay.
one over there from there. You
Yes.
just minimize this one, right? Exactly.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we can make full screen so that we can see it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah. So my name is Esther. I'm going to take you through the BBT company profile and the other products you need to know. So the first slide, as you can see, BBT means Bio for Biotech. Yeah, this is the full meaning of BBT.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the contents. I'm going to talk about the company profile, our products, technology, advantages of using our products, the packaging, how our products are packaging, and then the future, our future plan.
Okay.
Yeah, so our company is located in Guangdong province, Zhuhai. Actually, our city is near to Guangzhou. I think most of you know where Guangzhou is. It's just like some few hours from, 1 hour, 8 minutes from Zhuhai to Guangzhou. Yeah, so we are the producer, the main producer of cellulase, amylase, pectinase, and catalase. These are the enzymes we are focusing on for now. And also, we are dealing also with the enzymes for dairy household agents such as lipase, protease, and manase. So we are not really focusing on this, but if there is someone looking for this kind of product, we can also produce. Yeah. So this company was informed in 2004. So this is when this company started. And then they started the textile enzyme production line because that's our main focus, textile enzymes. So this production started in 2013. Yeah, as you can see in 2013. And then the production was just going on until 2018, the international market. That's when they launched the international market. The international market started from 2018. And then last year, 2023, until now, so these are the main countries we are dealing with already. This is our current, that's where we are. We are dealing with Asian countries, Europe, Africa, Middle East, and Central Asia.
Okay.
Yes, so like I mentioned before in the introductions, so our main focus is enzymes. So these enzymes are into two categories. The first category is textile enzyme, and the second one is household detergent enzyme. So our main focus is the text enzyme, which we are dealing with the four categories as you can see on the screen. And then these are the enzymes for household detergent enzyme, the second part. So the technology is divided into two techniques. The first technique is coating peel technique. As you can see on the screen, these are the granular enzyme. This is the granular enzyme. And then inside, it's protected, which means if we send these products to people in the far places, like, okay, let's say we are sending to Africa or Europe or Bangladesh, this is the advantage because it's protected, it's not going to be destroyed or anything. And the life shelf of this product is 2 years. So even if it takes time from China to whatever country we are shipping, that's a perfect advantage. And then the concentration technique, it's our liquid enzyme. This one it has the high concentration. I saw it on your question when you were asked, like, which kind of product can you dilute? So this is the perfect product for that question because this one has more high concentration. So you can dilute so many times.
So can you just go to the previous slide? Can you just go
okay.
to the previous slide? Sorry.
Yeah.
We want to know this. This is actually new to me.
Yeah.
So, like, let's say now you are going to also B2B and B2C market both, right? Because as
No,
you are selling
yeah.
selling concentrated enzyme also, and you are more to turn to, because when I was in Novozyme has got also now sale to B2B market also, like the
Yeah.
end user, they can also dilute and they can use these advantage, because I see this is a
Yes.
huge potential, because you are the manufacturer, so you are sending the core ingredient to the end user, and end user can can be benefited, and they can uh, save the total volume of the product, and they can use concentrated product as well. So this is very good for us.
Yeah, that's a very good product. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, continue, sorry.
Yeah, so for textile enzyme classifications, so as you can see the first picture, so there is dark color and light color. So it depends with the country and what you want to produce. Like our products, you can either do like the first one, it's the dark color, and then the second one. And then the second picture for by polishing, as you can see, the first part, it has like the peeling, some air on top. So after using our products, the fabric is going to be like this, because it will remove our product, to remove all of these peelings, and then this will be the result. And then for by scoring, it removes, hardness, grease, fabric. Sometimes it has like some grease, some partners, and then the wax. So when you use our bioscoring, this will be the result, and then it will even absorb the you after absorb, this is the result you get. Then for the debreaching, it removes the H2O2 hydroperoxide. Yeah, so this one for debreaching, it removes the hydroperoxide, and then for desizing, yeah, so after using our products, this will be as you can see the first picture, it will, this is the second result you will get after using our products.
I think Mr. Kajol is with us. He is actually the industrial expert. He is using it regularly. If you have got any
Yeah.
question, you can add in between, like let's say.
Okay.
Previous one. Go to the previous one, Mr. Iskar.
Oh, you want to? Okay.
I want to hear from Mr. Kajol one line that this all the enzyme you are using regularly, right? So
Yeah.
Yeah, we use regularly. Enzyme is a common product in textile sector. We use
right.
fabric softening, finishing, desizing, denim, and stonewash also.
Right. These
Okay.
all product you are using, but what actually you are today we learned from you that you are using concentrated product and the powder product. I think this will help the industry, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, it's sometimes industrial are responsible for some environmental pollution. I hope if we can reduce this pollution by using that, maybe it will very great achievement.
Mhm. Thank you.
Okay.
Esther, you can
Um,
continue. We are taking
Mi-
feedback in between so that we can understand.
Mr. Kajo,
Yeah.
yes, I have a question. You now focus on the denim washing product. Can you hear me? Hello?
Actually, he is the in charge of the knit. They have sister concern of denim. They are very big group. So he's
Uh,
looking after mainly the knit part.
knitting
Yes.
and the denim.
Uh,
Knitting and dyeing.
Okay.
Knitting and dye.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Because you before mentioned you need the stone-free enzymes.
Hello. Can you hear?
Okay, no problem.
okay,
I
no
get your
problem.
point.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, Mr. Rof is with us. He was actually traveling, so that's why he cannot join. Maybe you can introduce, and we are actually discussing
Uh,
about the enzyme and the company with the manufacturer.
Thank you, everyone. Actually, I was on travel and unfortunately, I lost my connection. Anyway, my name is Abdul Rauf. I'm in teaching professions for about last 12 years. Now I'm in NITER, which is known as National Institute of Textile Engineering and Research. There I am working as assistant professor, Department of Textile Engineering. Thank you so much.
All right.
All right.
We have one
Go on.
question. We will answer all the
Okay, okay.
question at the end. Huh? Maybe you can
Sure.
continue your presentation. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Please continue.
Okay. So these are the advantages of our products. So the first one is good stability. That's it has 2 years shelf life, and then for granular. And then the second advantage is that it has like a good performance. It works well in the high temperature, yeah, and in a wide range. And then for liquid, it has like the high concentration, so it saves cost for formulator and end user, meaning like for end user who wants to dilute and sell, they can get like the high profits because it has high concentration, so you can get dilute so many times. Yeah, so the last advantage is that this company is a big company. We have like another branch in Pakistan, and then we have also certificates, yeah, by Chinese government and European, yeah. So those are the advantages. So after buying or any process, we can also provide our certificates, yeah. Then yeah, so this is how our packaging looks like. For liquid form, we use this drum, and then for granular, that's how our packaging. That's how you should expect our product, like when you receive. Yeah, there is 100 grams, meaning. So for end user or factory, this is the good advantage. Like it's already measured. So when using it, you just have to count. It's already like 1 kg. You just have to count. So if, for example, you need 20 kgs, you just count like 1 up to 20. So you don't have to measure anything, because other products, it's like in a big, maybe 30 kg or something, which you need to measure always. But for our product, it's already in 1 kg. So you just have to count the number you want and then you use it. Yeah. Yeah, so these are the certificates. As you can see, we are level 3, and then also it's approved by Eco Passport. Yeah, so these are our certifications. Yeah, so this is the pictures of our products, the pasty, this one, that's how it looks like, the granular form. This is the packaging, and that's how it looks. Then the liquid form, yeah. So these are the kind of products we are dealing with. So about our future, so we already have the branch in Hong Kong, and then BBT China. This is Zhuhai. We are here in Zhuhai, and then Hong Kong, and then Pakistan. There is already our branch in Pakistan, the warehouse. So some Pakistan customer, they usually just get from our local warehouse. Yeah. So these other countries, as you can see, our next target is Turkey. So Turkey is like, as you can see the world map, Turkey is like a landlocked country. It's like in between. So if we target Turkey, then we'll be able to ship in these neighboring countries. Like other customers, they don't have to wait from purchasing from China. It will be far for them. So the moment we target Turkey, then they can just purchase from Turkey. Yeah, so this is the end of our presentations. Thank you.
Yes, it's a very wonderful and informative presentations.
Yeah.
Thank you for your presentation. We received some question also.
Yeah.
Maybe we can answer also the question during the presentation. Actually, there are two questions come. One is from Mr. Shubon Mondol. He is actually he is doing business in oven area, oven different factory. So he has got a
Yeah.
question that desizing enzyme for poplin and voile, that is 60 by 60 construction. So can you discuss, do you have this product, desizing enzyme for poplin and voile?
Mr. Pascal.
Which product?
Enzyme.
Exciting. We have the A26, but this is the liquid form. Before I introduce this product, may I know, do you have AC warehouse and for the enzyme storage?
Yes, yes, they have got all the facilities. So I think his main question was to know about the product
Yeah,
you have got regarding the
he
desizing.
wants to understand if they have, so that he know what kind of products to introduce to them. Because
Yes.
it would depend if they have
Actually,
like the AC warehouse, you will know the kind of products to introduce to them.
Yes.
okay,
Because we
perfect.
have the
So
granular
actually, we
form and
cannot
the
introduce.
liquid form.
Mhm. Actually, we cannot take him to the skin because he is from Facebook. So maybe he will communicate with us to learn more details. You can have some basic regarding the your product and all the facilities. That will be better, I think.
Okay, yeah, because we have the granular and the liquid. So if someone has the AC warehouse, so they can buy the liquid form. But if you don't have the AC warehouse, we cannot recommend the liquid form.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have both the product, like you have
Yes.
powder product and you have also liquid product, right? For this.
Yes.
Okay.
We have.
The
Yeah.
next question is coming from Mr. Sabbir Ahmed. Actually, he's working in the channel partner of Novozyme. He asks that powder enzyme, he's facing some problem of shelf life after 6 to 7 months. Uh, the concentrated powder enzyme strength is fall.
Mm.
So, what is the remedy for that?
Okay, so the advantage about our product is that the shelf life is 2 years. So if you buy our product, you are not going to face that kind of problem, because in 2 years our product will still be active.
Because the liquid form, if you, as we know, the Bangladesh market, because the temperature very higher.
Yeah.
If we purchase the liquid form, maybe after 6 months or the 4 months, the activity of the enzyme maybe will reduce 20 to 30%. But the granular form, our granular form, because we use the coating pill technology, the enzyme inside is the enzyme and outside is a protective layer. We can make sure our stability and our activity of the enzyme can ensure. So our granular enzyme have a 2 year shelf life. If you use during the 2 year shelf life, you don't worry about the activity of our enzymes. Very stable.
You understand, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Perfectly
Yeah.
answered. Hope this powder enzyme can serve the market because its shelf life is more. So actually,
Yes.
another question coming consecutive question from Mr. Shumon Mondol, because he was asking desizing enzyme. So actually, for Bangladesh market, very few company is marketing the granular desizing enzyme. So his question is it possible that desizing enzyme as granular form? Can you supply it? Because you said you have got the product, so uh, you can supply the granular form for desizing.
Yes, actually, we have the granular form decising enzyme for the market. But as we
Okay.
know, Bangladesh market maybe the denim washing mill and the knitting factory much more than the woven factories. That's why our granular enzyme amylase sell less quantity to the Bangladesh market. Because the Bangladesh market, they need the denim washing product and the knitting fabric product is more. That's why this product now just offer to the very big group. A very big group. We can offer the granular inside the textizing.
Okay. No,
But
actually,
if
for your
you
information, we have got very big group in Bangladesh in case of oven. So maybe you can
yes,
target.
if your customer he can give a big order, the quantity is very large. We can consider to offer this product to your customer.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. So actually, we have got lot of questions. Someone also messaged me. Actually, maybe we can discuss the question also. The question, some question come that what is the global response of BBD powder enzyme? So can you just tell us that what is the global you response, what you are getting from the outside, and what is your plan for Bangladesh for these powder enzyme? Can you just
Yeah,
tell us
for
something?
the global response is that, as I mentioned in the PPT, like when I tried to share the world map, so I already mentioned the countries we are dealing with. We are dealing with Pakistan already. There is a lot of customers in Pakistan, and we have a warehouse. So Pakistan people, they can just buy direct from the local company, from the local markets, our BBT enzyme. And also the other branch is in Hong Kong. And then this is the main branch in Zhuhai, China. And the future plan is the Turkey. We are trying to target Turkey market. Yeah, because Turkey, it's a landlocked country if you check on the world map. So it's surrounded by so many countries, which means we'll be able to deliver around the world. So that's our future plan. And then about Bangladesh. Yeah, about Bangladesh, because if we want to work with you, you need to purchase from us first. You understand how this product works. Even when you are working with us, you know what to tell others. You know how this product works. And then we can now talk about the future plan. But for now, we would like you to know more about our product and how this product works. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for actually I'm watching all the question that what are the question coming because a lot of people send me question. So the next question is
Do you want to add something?
actually to Mr. Actually, people want to know. Maybe I can go to Mr. Kajol by this time. That what is the opportunities, or what is the opportunity you are seeing in the industry, and what currently you are dealing right now with Enzyme. We want to learn from the industry expert that what we can do more, or what I mean support needed from the enzyme manufacturer side, from the industry perspective.
Also,
Actually, we now time we use liquid enzyme,
Okay.
liquid enzyme, but it has a very big opportunity to powder enzyme. Textile use enzyme for fabric softening, biopolishing, everything.
By polishing.
Currently, they are using more in biopolis.
Secondly, I think our country enzyme is not only use textile. This enzyme we can use others industries, but I am. But textile sector easily we cannot change any new product. product because of production, people have lot of production pressure, quality controlling, technical expertise, cost consideration, brand identity. This we hope, considering all these things, if you can make it market, then it has a good chance in all modern industries. So I request to BBT and color source BD from my production. Considering all these things, will present to product in front of everyone.
Yes, yes, thank
The-
you. Actually, what I understand that actually the production people always has got more pressure, right? So they are
yeah.
always concentration on developing, on how to problem solving and
Problem solving.
dealing with buyers and do a lot of work. But you know, when some technology, new technology is coming, they have very limited time. So it is
Yeah,
up to BBTs and all the manufacturer that to bring this technology to the industry, that how we can, what is the core that, like let's say today discussion we understand that what is the use of powder enzyme and what is the applications and everything. So we bring this thing to the industry people, and they have very limited time because they're very busy person.
yeah,
So
yeah.
they they can they can be benefited out of it. Thank you for your input. Actually, we have another question actually from Mr.
Uh,
Sabbir. He said that,
Actually, Mr. Kajol,
hmm,
I have some questions. For example, may I know your business model? You mentioned you use the liquid enzyme, liquid form.
Yeah, yeah.
May I know if you how you selling this product to your customer? You sell this enzyme to your customer after dilute and wholesale to your customer.
no, actually he is
No.
actually the end user. He is using the product. He is using
You
the
are the
he
end
using,
user.
yes, yes, yes. He is the end
Yeah.
user.
Oh, you are the end user.
Right.
Now you use the
Liquid.
liquid form.
Yeah,
Liquid
yeah.
form.
Now it's liquid form.
Yes. Did you think about the stabilization of enzyme?
He is asking that whether because the lifetime is very less for liquid enzyme. So any stabilization you needed or any long time you needed for that.
Yes, because if you're concerned about the stabilization of enzymes, why did you not think about our granular enzymes? Because as we know, the Bangladesh, the air condition is the temperature is very high. Yes.
So why are
It,
you not considering the granular form?
if you purchase some liquid form from China, another supplier, maybe you put this enzyme in your warehouse. In warehouse, about the 5 or 6 months, maybe the activity of the enzyme will reduce 15%, maybe 15%, because according to my customer from Bangladesh, he told me that he purchased 1 ton liquid form enzyme from China, but at first they use the liquid enzyme, the performance is very good, but after 5 months or 6 months, the activity reduced 20%. That means you want to same performance, you need to add the enzyme quantity will increase. But if you purchase the granular enzyme from BBT China, we have the 2 year shelf life. 2 year shelf life. You no need worry about the shelf life of your enzyme because our granular enzyme during the 2 year shelf life, you also can keep the same performance.
Yeah.
That's why I introduce our granular enzymes for you because end user they like the granular enzyme because they purchase one time the quantity is very large. No 20 kg, maybe they 1,000 kg, 2,000 kg. Yes, that's my questions and I suggestion.
Yes, it's a very good, valid point you have raised. I think Mr.
Yes,
Kajol can tell something about that because he is saying that you are using currently powder liquid enzyme. So there is a huge. I mean, you are sometimes destroying your shelf life. I mean, the product activity is less. So maybe you can concentrate on powder enzyme. You can think about it.
yes. Maybe you can consider this product.
So Kajol, any feedback?
Again, please.
This is our package, granular enzyme.
Yeah.
Yes, our package because the package is 1 kg per bag. When your worker to use our product, it no need to weigh. Because if you calculate, for example, you need to wash 1,000 kg knitting fabric. You just need to put the 3 kg our NEF21WRO into your dyeing machine. It's very convenient. You no need to wait. And because you know if you use the liquid form or the powder form, after you didn't use all the product, maybe will leak, leave another in your paper drum, in your drum. The next time, if you use again, maybe the activity of the enzyme will lost, will
Yeah.
lost. Yes, but our package, all our packages 1 kg. You know need about if I just use 20 kg and left 10 kg in our paper drum, the package is original package. We didn't
Yeah.
open the activity of enzyme and the stabilization if of our enzyme is all okay. Keep the same one, but the
Yeah.
liquid form
It is.
no. Yes,
Yeah. It is very good idea, but text. It's very. It's a new innovative product, but
yes,
textile. Yeah. Textile always suffering the. It's uh, textile very difficult to change a product once it is set or comfortable to use in production unit. But
mm.
production unit. But your product is very good, and very innovative.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, yes. Actually, we have very limited time because today is Friday and we have to have some prayer today also. So we are taking another question that Mr. Sabir asked, that which product you guys prefer more, raw powder enzyme or high concentrated enzyme, which can be diluted 1:9. Which product is suitable for the industry and which is giving consistent result?
Yeah,
Actually, for the formulator or the trader company, they like the liquid form because the liquid form they can dilute many times and sell to the end user. They can make the more profits. Yes. For the granular form, we also have two different types of our product. One is the loyal material. another is the ready-to-use products. For example, the denim washing products. We have the NEFGP. This is a ready-to-use product. The end user they more like this product, but the trader company because they want to make more profit, they don't like the ready-to-use products. They want to add the salt and another chemical to formulate and then sell to the end user. That's why for the trader company we offer the raw material, but for the factory we also offer the ready-to-use products. Yes.
Yes. Perfectly answered, and we understand the point that you focus mainly for trader high concentrated product because they can
Yes.
easily dilute it and they can sell to their customers. And the factory, it is advisable to use the powder product and the ready to use products so that they can instantly use and no need to dilute, because there are a lot of things is involved when you dilute a product.
Yes, you get my
Temperature,
point.
pH, there are some ingredient also involved. So end user cannot easily maintain all the things. So it is better for end user to use the ready-made product, ready to use product. And for the like let's say for the traders they can use, and for the end user powder enzyme will give a very good benefit as we understand for today's discussion. Yes,
Yes.
it was a wonderful discussion. Actually, Mr. Rove, he was actually in a hospital today, so he sent a message to me and called me that he cannot able to join due to technical problem. Because today in
No
Bangladesh,
issue.
all over
Welcome
it is
next time.
raining. Maybe next time we can discuss.
Yes.
So thank you. Today actually we have learned so many things. We have learned about all the enzyme, and we are honored to learn from the manufacturer directly that what is the benefit of the using powder enzyme, and what we can do. And this, I think this thing can help our industry to grow and to learn the technical things. And we are doing this session due to COVID time, but after that due to some reason we stopped. Hope we continue this. And thank you, Mr. Kajol. Maybe you can add one line about today's discussion. Then, Mr. Kajol,
Yeah.
yes, you can add one line about the today what we have discussed. We want to hear
And,
one line from you.
Yeah, I say to this session is very important for us. I hope if we convert liquid to powder, then maybe our end user will be very helpful, and they will save the costing and product. Product lifetime save. It's a very great option for us.
Thank you. Actually, Mr. Star or BBT team, if you have any comments, you can tell. Then I can conclude it.
Okay, so
So I have a question to ask Mr. Kajo. May I know how much quantities enzymes you are using now?
Uh, per month, 2000 one one 1000 kg per month use this liquid
One
enzyme.
1,000 kg liquid
Yeah,
enzyme
yeah,
for the biopolishing.
yeah. Biopolishing.
Biopolishing, this product is the higher concentration or the lower concentration?
Yeah,
Lower concentration, maybe.
low to high order. It's we use different recipe to different fabric and
Oh
fabric.
yes, Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
So anything you want to add, Mr. Easter?
It's okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, today we are going to end our session. Hopefully, we'll come with some new idea, new session in the next upcoming sessions. And thank you, BBT team, for giving so many information to us. Our audience will be very delighted to learn and hear about this new technology, new things. And thank you, Mr. Kajol, for your time, because I know you are very busy person. So thank you, because
Yes.
today Friday is your day. So today is your holiday, but you give me time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all the audience, Mr. Sabir, Mr. Shumon, who have commented and who have watched. And it is a recorded video, so everyone can each watch this from the record one. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you
Bye
for your time. See you next time.
Thank you.
bye.